Horse and nature. 12. Belgian horse.
Massive chest as it breathes deeply after a run.
Pulling a heavy wooden cart through a misty forest.
Pulling a sleigh through a snowy forest.
Pulling a bales of hay cart.
Plowing a vast farmland.
Graceful trots during a parade.
Gently standing beside a farmer in a barn.
Nuzzling a child's hand in a tranquil farmyard.
Standing tall in a lush green pasture.
Powerful legs.
Rearing up in an open meadow.
Galloping together across a hilly landscape during golden hour.
Like, subscribe, tab the bell. Thank you.